You're spinning right now, really fast. Let's get weird for a second. Right now, this very moment, you are spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour. No, seriously, the Earth is rotating, and you're riding that cosmic merry-go-round whether you like it or not. So, why can't we feel it? Why does it seem like we're standing still even though we're basically on a giant space roller coaster? Let's break it down, before your brain starts spinning too. First of all, yes, the Earth is absolutely spinning. Let's set the record straight. The Earth isn't just sitting there like a lazy beanbag in space. It's spinning eastward, completing a full rotation every 24 hours. And depending on where you are on the planet, you're moving really fast. At the equator, you're traveling at roughly 1,037 miles per hour. Even in New York, you're still cruising around 800 miles per hour just by standing still. That's faster than a bullet. That's faster than most commercial airplanes. And yet, you don't feel a thing. How come? Let's talk physics. Specifically, motion and inertia. Imagine you're on a smooth train ride. The train is moving at 100 miles per hour, but if the ride is steady, you don't feel like you're moving. Only when the train accelerates, decelerates, or turns do you feel that whoa moment in your body. That sensation comes from a change in velocity. But if nothing's changing, if the movement is constant and smooth, you feel nothing. This is called Newton's first law of motion, or the law of inertia. It says, an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. Right now, everything around you, the air, your chair, your cat, your body, is spinning with the Earth at the same constant speed. There's no sudden jerk, no change in direction. So, your body doesn't notice it. You're in motion, but it's steady, and your senses don't care. But what about wind? Shouldn't there be some kind of Earth spin breeze? Excellent question. If the Earth is spinning over 1,000 miles per hour, shouldn't we feel wind blasting in our faces like a high-speed fan? Not quite, because the atmosphere is spinning too. When the Earth formed, it dragged its atmosphere along with it. So the air above you is rotating with the Earth at the same speed. It's all moving together as one massive synchronized system. That's why you don't feel 1,000 miles per hour headwind every time you go outside. Okay, but what if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Now that you'd feel. Everything on the surface would suddenly fly eastward at insane speeds. It'd be like being thrown out of a car going 1,000 miles per hour. Cities would crumble, oceans would flood inland, basically the worst day ever. Luckily, the Earth isn't stopping anytime soon. It's been spinning for 4.5 billion years, and while it's gradually slowing down, it'll keep spinning for billions more. Each century, Earth's day gets about 1.7 milliseconds longer due to tidal friction with the moon. So yes, technically we're slowing down, but not enough for you to sleep in longer. Sorry, here's another reason you don't feel it. The Earth is huge. Let's say you're standing on a rotating turntable. If it's only a few feet wide and starts spinning, you'll definitely feel it. But if that turntable is the size of a planet and takes 24 hours to make one full spin, that rotation is incredibly gentle, like a slow dance you didn't realize you were in. The Earth's rotation rate is about 0.0007 revolutions per minute. Compare that to a washing machine, which spins around 1,000 RPM. That's a million times faster than Earth's spin rate. In other words, we can't feel the Earth spinning because it's spinning very fast, but very smoothly. Your inner ear doesn't care about slow, smooth motion. Your sense of balance is mostly controlled by your vestibular system, a bunch of fluid-filled tubes in your inner ear. It detects changes in acceleration, direction, or orientation. That's how you know when a car starts moving or when an elevator drops. But slow, constant motion, it doesn't register. The Earth's rotation is too steady, and the curvature of the planet is so massive, your inner ear is like, meh, nothing new here. So how do we know the Earth is spinning? You can't feel it, but science sure can. Foucault pendulum. Hang a pendulum from a high ceiling and let it swing. Over time, it starts rotating, not because the pendulum moved, but because the Earth rotated beneath it. The Coriolis Effect. This is why hurricanes spin and why toilets swirl. It's the effect of Earth's rotation on moving objects. Without Earth's spin, weather patterns would look totally different. Space footage. Satellites and astronauts literally watch Earth rotate from orbit. It's not a theory, it's visibly happening every single day. In short, you don't feel the Earth spinning because you were born spinning. From the moment you entered this world, you've been part of the ride. Your body, your bed, your house, even your snacks. Everything is rotating in sync. And because it's smooth, steady, and constant, it feels like nothing at all. The next time someone says the world doesn't revolve around you, just smile and say, actually, it literally does. Drop a comment. Did this blow your mind a little? Or were you today years old when you realized you're spinning 1,000 miles per hour? Tell us in the comments. We read every single one, and your question might just inspire our next video. Subscribe to YX for more science that explains the invisible. Hit the bell so you don't miss a moment, even the spinning ones.